Hey everyone, Bud here from Bud Smart Home. If you're tired of spending hours researching smart home products only to end up with something that doesn't quite fit, then stick around. In this video, you'll learn how to use Homey's Best Buy guides to make informed decisions, save money, and future-proof your smart home setup. I'll show you how to get the most out of the guides and explain why you should be using them every time you buy sensors, particularly if you're considering an eventual move to the Homey Pro hub. So what exactly are these Best Buy guides? Simply put, they're a curated list of top smart home products handpicked by the Homey team. Whether you're just starting to build your smart home or you're looking to upgrade, these guides offer expert recommendations to help you make the best choices for your smart home setup. To access these guides, just head over to the Homey Pro app page. I've dropped a link in the description below. Once you're on the page, click the Discover link in the menu at the top of the page, then select Discover Products. When you tap on that link, you'll be taken to a page that lists 22 smart home device categories that can help you explore Homey's compatible devices. The list of guides is organized into device categories like motion sensors, smart doorbells, and smart light bulbs. Let's assume that you're looking to add a motion sensor. When selecting the motion sensor category, you'll see a list of recommended products. Each device is listed with descriptive content and a purchase link. The devices listed aren't just random picks. They're selected based on real-world performance and compatibility with Homey, so you know you're getting something reliable. Each device category includes a list of relevant factors that you should consider when choosing a sensor. Reviewing these factors ensures that the selected devices will be suitable to your needs. For motion sensors, these factors include Homey device compatibility, detection range, detection angle, sensor size and shape, and manufacturer's price. Each device guide provides you with an alphabetical list of devices in a column format so that you can easily compare the factors like protocol used, detection range, angle specs, and approximate cost. If you click on the device's brand or model name, you'll be linked to more information. As an example, when clicking on the AOTech Multi-Sensor 7, you'll be provided with an image of the sensor and a summary of both positive and negative device attributes. In addition to motion detection, the AOTech Multi-Sensor 7 is credited for having 6 additional sensors to measure temperature, humidity, light levels, UV index, vibration, plus the sensor is also equipped with an anti-tamper mechanism. Other positive attributes include a premium build, a small compact size, and the provision of power via batteries or USB. The only negative attributed to the device is the sensor's cost. The higher price tag is likely due to the fact that you're getting multiple sensors in a single device. So assuming that you only intend to use the sensor to detect motion, paying a higher price for the additional device capabilities may not be practical. Above the list of positive and negative aspects, you'll see the manufacturer's list price as well as a Shop Now link. When clicking on that link, you'll be directed to the manufacturer's website where you can obtain more information. This information typically includes a user manual, technical specifications, a link to vendor sales sites where you may purchase the sensor. As a reminder, you can source many of these sensors via my smart home Amazon store. My Amazon link is provided in the description below. Under the list of devices' positive and negative aspects, you see the Homey device compatibility labels. This particular sensor is compatible with both the Homey Bridge and the Homey Pro hub. Following the compatibility labels, you are provided with additional information which details the device's specs, capabilities, and features. This includes measurement specs, battery type, and more. In addition to using these guides to discover and compare compatible devices, the information contained within these guides is particularly useful if you're currently using a different smart home hub but considering an eventual move to the Homey Pro hub. These guides permit you to verify whether the devices you're eyeing now will also work with Homey down the line. And that's it, a quick and easy way to be sure that you're getting the most out of your smart home investment. But hey, why stop here? In my next video, I'll do a deep dive into one of the categories, specifically smart doorbells. I'll show you how the Best Buy guide can help you select the best doorbell for your needs and walk you through the factors you should consider. I'll also explain how to use the information found within the app tab to review flow cards to confirm which actions are supported by the app. This will help ensure that you get the performance you expect when you purchase the doorbell. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when it drops. Until next time, happy smart home shopping.